Yeah. Owners, entrepreneurs, welcome back. I'm glad to have you. I'm John Juan, director, photographer, recording artist, entrepreneur myself, and I'm back with another chapter of being a better entrepreneur. And this time, we're talking branding. So much could be said about branding, but first things first, get off your high horse. Unless you have a unique or subjective name like, say, a Ralph Lauren or a Tommy Hilfiger, or you're already an established name like John Juan or S. Carter, nobody wants to be rocking your name all over the clothes that they're wearing, all over their shirts, all on the hats, all on the sweatpants. Build your brand around a concept or a lifestyle that people could really get behind and find themselves supporting. People are more likely to feel a part of or align themselves mentally with a brand that's more of a concept or lifestyle rather than just someone's name. Take FUBU, for example. For us, by us. A concept that anyone with a sense of self-worth could really get behind. It's something to latch onto. It's something to really believe in. Stop taking things so personal. Keep Devontae Best or Johnny Reach off my t-shirts, please, and come up with something creative. Get in your creative bag. Put some concepts together that people can really get behind. A good example of this is my guy Troy Ave's clothing line, God is Great Paper Street. The idea of God first resonates with so many people around the world that subscribe to religion. Plus, good fortune and praise is a concept that's as old as man. Brands centered around a lifestyle get a major push. Does your brand promote a particular way of life? Is your brand associated with a specific demographic? Your demographic and core target audience is who you want to appeal to. If you sell athletic wear, you might want to align yourself with sports, healthy living, clean eating, concepts like that. That's where you're going to find people that really want to support your brand. If your brand is more casual, you might want to align with concepts that are more like everyday living, like drinking coffee, going for a walk, family-oriented things, or just simply more artsy modeling type content. Being true to yourself makes this way easier. When creating your brand, is there a message you want to share? Are you selling luxury, sustainability, healthy living? What is my message? That's what you have to ask yourself. Once you find out the answers to those questions, every fiber of your business should be designed to answering those questions. Whether it's the quality of the clothes you sell, the taste of the food that you make, or the reliability of your business. Remind people why they should choose you. Make sure any visual representation of your brand checks those fundamental points. Why waste attention or even funds on ads that don't make the people feel your brand? Find your identity and promote it. Be yourself. There's only one you, and that's what the people will tap into. If you stay consistent, you will see results, but you have to continue to be creative with how you promote. Survey the field, see what the competition is doing, see how they're promoting and how you can implement those same concepts to work for you as well. All in all, be you, and make sure your brand is a reflection of its creator, because at the end of the day, it only goes as far as your mind takes it. As always, creatives, it's a pleasure sharing tips and knowledge. So if you find any of this content useful, make sure you're subscribed to that P.A.U. Studios YouTube channel and that you got those notifications on so that you never miss a beat. If you found any content within this video useful, give us a like and make sure you drop a comment telling us what gems you took away, also what you want us to cover next time. If you're looking for more content from me, you can follow me on Instagram @PlentySkills or follow my production company @UsualPolitics and @P.A.U. Studios LLC. I love seeing the community that we're building here. Keep up the energy, guys, and let's keep doing better business. I'm John Juan. This is Being a Better Entrepreneur, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Yo, the bag that I've been in is not for the weak. We killing the streets, now everybody needs something from me. Fuck what you need, stacking this paper, I've been going hard. I cannot pretend like all these lames even in my league. Fuck it, go ahead and believe. I just know I've been building the wealth by building and hiring help. If you a boss, every word will be felt. You a hater, you can burn up in hell. Matter of fact, I be wishing you life to see me come up, burn a hole in your soul. All these stripes, but I'm coming at night. Was doing well, now I'm doing it right. Underrated, never been with the hype. Clout chasing, could go take a hike. Meanwhile, I'ma take me a flight to a fly island where my service is shoddy. I ain't posted, just working and vibing. Laid up like I'm doing the mic in my bag deep, and it's nobody like me. They calling me cocky, but I'm feeling
P.A.U. Studios, shooting everything. Movie status.